Hot Potatoes is an application which allows the creation of internet-based activities for children and students. It is an excellent idea for making learning more enjoyable and introducing technology into the curriculum. It comes with 6 different application exercises: question-based, gap-filled, matching, jumbled, crossword, and the masher, which links unit of material together. Hot Potatoes is very simple to use, and once it is downloaded, all you need to do is enter the data or questions and all possible answers for the children to choose from. This depends on what application is chosen, as for example, the crossword and question-based exercises are very different. Once the exercise is finished, they can be posted onto the internet or any website which may be running throughout a school. When the exercise is finished, it is easily uploaded to any location on the internet. If members do not find it difficult to use Hot Potatoes, there is ample support available on the Hot Potatoes website. Question-based exercises come in 4 different basic types: the multiple choice, where a student answers via clicking on the correct answer; short answer; hybrid question; and multi-select. This is an example of a multiple choice answer, where the student has the correct answer out of a list of answers. This is an example of a short answer, where the student must type their answer into a small text box, where the computer will then check it with the answer provided by the teacher to see if it's correct. A hybrid question is a cross between a multiple choice question and a short answer question. If a student fails to get the question right on short answer a multiple of times, the question will then be changed into a multiple choice question to make it easier for them. A multi-select question is where the student must answer several of specific question, which may have more than one correct answer. For example, which of these words are nouns? There will then be a following list of words, whereby the student must pick out the correct ones. Gap-fill questions. This is where a student must complete all the answers before checking. When they press the check button, the correct answers will be inserted into the text. Any incorrect answers will be left in text boxes to be corrected. The score depends on the number of checks required before the answer is completed. Matching exercises. To create matching exercises, meaning a list of items appearing on one side and each must be matched up with the item on the other side. There are 2 types available: standard and drag and drop. Standard output uses a drop-down menu list of items on the right. When you have more than 7 or 8 items in text, it is probably more advisable to use the text option instead of drag and drop. If there are only a few items, especially if they are graphics, you may use the drag and drop item, as this would be more fun for the pupils. This question is good for specialising in vocabulary and the pictures to words for younger children. A jumble question is used so that jumbled up sentences or letters in a word can be jumbled. It has 2 outputs, the same, standard and drag and drop, where the words are put into the correct order to make a sentence. Drag and drop is dragging the words into the lines in order to make up the correct sentence. Hints are available on this one for the next word to be hinted out for them if they are stuck.